Welcome, my dear students. I am Muhammad Rafi, representing National English Medium School. I am dealing with the subject Social Science. You know, social science have two parts, history and geography. I am dealing with the part history. Today, we are going to discuss about first chapter in the history, revolution that influenced the world. Revolution that influenced the world. Main topic in the chapters are, first one is American War of Independence, second one is French Revolution, then third topic Latin American Revolution, fourth one is Russian Revolution, fifth one is Chinese Revolution. These are the main topic dealing with this chapter. Today we are dealing about first topic, American War of Independence. The slogan of the American War of Independence, no taxation without representation. No taxation without representation is the slogan of American War of Independence. This framed by James Otis. Actually, this slogan framed by James Otis, but the slogan raised by American people as part of this agitation. Now, we can look the various circumstances or causes of the agitation. First causes of the American War of Independence. On 16th century onwards, Europeans migrated to North America. Their main aim of this migration was exploit the resources of North America. England established 13 colonies in North America, and two thinkers, John Locke and Thomas Paine, their ideology influenced the American Revolution. Then mercantilism and representation in government, these are the main causes of American War of Independence. First causes of American War of Independence, migration of the European in North America. The aim of the migration, exploit the resources of North America. By the end of the 18th century, England established 13 colonies in eastern coast of North America. Okay, so you can look the figure. These are the 13 colonies in eastern coast of North America. This colony are established by the England. John Locke and Thomas Paine, they are the two thinkers influenced the American War of Independence. John Locke and Thomas Paine, they were the important thinkers influenced the American War of Independence. Ideology of John Locke, everyone has some fundamental right. No government has the right to suspend them. This is the important ideology of John Locke. This ideology influenced the American people to start the agitation. The causes of American War of Independence, mercantilism. What is mercantilism? The British treated American colonies as center for collecting raw materials for their industry and as market for selling their product. This policy implemented by the British merchant with the help of their motherland in the American colony is known as mercantilism. My dear student, I think all of you understood what is mercantilism. So, the British collected the raw material from the American colonies and taking the raw materials and they are gone to their mother country. That here, the Britain considered America as a two-way. First one is, they are considering America as a center for collecting their raw materials. And also, they are considering this America as a market for selling their product. As part of mercantilism, several laws were implemented in the colonies. The goods to and from the colony must be carried only in British ship. The second law, the product of the colonies like sugar, wool, cotton and tobacco, etc. could be only exported to England. Then the third law, British stamp must be affixed on all the legal newspaper, etc. And the last mercantilist law, import tax must be paid for the import of tea, glass, paper, etc. These are the four important mercantilist laws. We are discussing three continental conference. This is the main important causes of the American War of Independence. We are discussing three continental conference. The first continental conference. The year of first continental congress 1774. The first continental congress met at Philadelphia. Here we are expecting two questions. The year of continental congress 1774. It met at Philadelphia. What is first continental congress? The representative of all the colony except Georgia met in Philadelphia in 1774 to protest against the policies and rules imposed by England. It is known as First Continental Congress. Are you clear? And then second causes, the war between England and colonies. People of the American colony submitted a petition to the King of England. They demanded the revocation of the revolution and forced on industry and commerce, and not to impose tax without the approval of the people. But the king sent a military force to suppress the people. This led to the war between England and colonies. Now we are discussing what is First Continental Congress. The Second Continental Congress. Second Continental Congress held at Philadelphia in 1775. So the year of Second Continental Congress 1775. It met at Philadelphia. Important of Second Continental Congress. Here George Washington was elected as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army. During this time, Thomas Paine prepared a pamphlet titled Common Sense. 1776, July 4, Declaration of American Independence. The American Continental Congress issued the famous Declaration of Independence on 4th July 1776. Declaration was prepared by Thomas Jefferson and Benjamin Franklin. This is the important question. Who prepared American Declaration? Who prepared the American Declaration? Two persons are there. First one is Thomas Jefferson and second one is Benjamin Franklin. The war between England and North America ended in 1781. According to the Treaty of Paris in 1783, England ratified the freedom of 13 colonies in North America. James Madison framed the American Constitution. This is important point. Who framed the American Constitution? James Madison. Washington became the first president of the USA. Now we are discussing about American War of Independence. It greatly influenced the relative history of the world, the friction and motivation to the later freedom struggle. This is the one of the important influence. The second one is the guided human rights activities. The third one put forward the concept of republican form of government. The fourth one prepared the first written constitution. These are
in this video American Revolution. American War of Independence. American Revolutionary in 1776, July 4. James Otis. He framed the slogan, "No taxation without representation." This is the picture of revolutions between American people and England. First Continental Congress met at Philadelphia in 1774. What is First Continental Congress? The representative of 13 colonies met at Philadelphia to protest against rules and regulations imposed by the England, that is First Continental Congress. Here, the revolutions between England and the North American colonies. George Washington, he became the Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army. And also, George Washington became the first President of USA. Another causes of the American Revolution, mercantilism. What is mercantilism? The British treated American colonies as centers for collecting raw materials for their industry and market for selling their product. This policy, implemented by the British merchant with the help of their motherland in the American colonies, it is known as mercantilism. As part of mercantilism, England implemented 5 laws in American colonies. So today we are winding up in the class.